Most people face this OBS black screen issue. Welcome to DelphStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. First, go to your Windows and search for Graphic Settings. Click on it, add OBS Studio to the Desktop App section. In the App section, search for OBS, then add a desktop file. Now this will pop up. Go to your local disk C, then open Program Files. Find your OBS Studio, click on it, then click on the bin folder. After that, open the 64-bit folder, and here you will see OBS 64. Just click it. Now it has been successfully added. Now go back, click on it, and select Options. If you click on the arrow, you will see the High Performance NVIDIA option. Select it, and your problem should now be solved. You will see that the black screen has already vanished. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.